What's up guys, it's me Umair. So here is the Hoco X29 cable. Yes, you heard me right, Hoco X29 type C cable. Yes, again I'm repeating, you heard me right, this is X29 cable. So let me show you from the back. I'm a big fan of Hoco. If you're watching my video, you already know that I did a lot of review of your USB cable and headphone. Why not send me something for free for review? Anyway, I'm just joking. You know, this kind of companies do not like to send me anything for review because I'm an honest critic. So it's a 2 amp cable, 1 meter. Okay, max is 2 amp, so it means you can't use with your Surface Book. Okay, here we go. Let me close the box. Okay, let me keep the box aside. And here it is, where it is. I'm sorry, here it is. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, I mean, this is beautiful cable, to be honest with you. I never seen such a beautiful cable at the end of the day. You just can't go wrong with it. I mean, look at it. Yeah. So I really like the build quality. So subscribe and bye.